know many people are having trouble with finding the Swedish manual for their Hoover WDYN 9646 PG washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Visit Hoover's website. Start by visiting the official website of Hoover or type in the search bar Hoover WDYN 9646 PG washing machine. Step 2. Navigate to Support. Once on the product page, navigate towards the Support or Download section. Step 3. Find relevant documentation. Within the Support section, look for documentation relevant to the WDYN 9646 PG washing machine. Step 4. Check available languages. Check out the available languages listed for the user manual. They usually include English, German, French, and Italian. Step 5. Access Swedish manual. If Swedish is included in the list, click on it to access the Swedish version of the user manual. If you follow these steps correctly, you will be able to access the Swedish user manual for your Hoover WDYN 9646 PG washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hoover users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.